Hey, it's an office party day today, and I'm just going to start this morning off by making a hairband with some baubles on because I was going to look festive. That was the plan. So let's see how it goes. I've got glue gun. I've got a little plier here because some of these have some metal on them that I need to take off, and then I have this beautiful golden Alice band hairband. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna get these baubles ready so they are ready to glue on. There are all kinds of different ones. Okay, and I got it gluing already. So I'm gluing on the big ones first, and then I'm gonna put some smaller ones on after. Yeah, it's gonna be real festive, hopefully not that heavy. And should this be a silver one or a golden one? Let's try golden. Put the center there. Yeah, let's put this center here. Let's see where he glues onto it. Yes, I actually think it's done.